Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we'll introduce Neville Goddard and his beliefs about love and manifesting the exact relationship you desire. Neville Goddard was a teacher, speaker, and author known for his teachings on the power of imagination and the law of attraction. His teachings on the power of imagination and the law of attraction are incredibly powerful and can be applied to any area of our lives, including love and relationships. He believed that by using our imagination, we can create the reality that we desire and manifest our deepest desires. One of the most interesting examples is Neville's romantic life. In one of his lectures, he talks about how he fell in love with a woman, but at the time, he was still technically married to his first wife. He explained that he married at the age of 18 and became a father at 19. Though they separated that year, Goddard never sought a divorce. Therefore, his separation was not legal in the state of New York. However, Neville had an unwavering faith in the power of manifestation, and he decided to use it to clear up his old marriage so he could be with the woman he loved. He explained that when he decided to marry the lady who later became his wife, he used that principle. So, Neville used the power of imagination to manifest his desired outcome. He decided to sleep as though he and his decided wife were married. While sleeping physically in his hotel room, he slept imaginatively in an apartment, she in one bed and Neville in the other. He continued to use this technique night after night, sleeping in the assumption that he was happily married to the woman he loved. And within a week, he received a call requesting him to be in court next Tuesday at 10 a.m., giving him no reason why he should be there. He dismissed the request, thinking it was a hoax, played on him by a friend. However, the following Tuesday at 9:30 a.m., he received a call from a woman who said that it would be in his best interest as a public figure to be in court as his wife was on trial. His wife was caught lifting a few items from a store in New York City, and she was on trial. Neville then spoke on her behalf, pleading for her release. The judge suspended the sentence, and he and his wife signed the divorce papers. This story illustrates Neville's belief that we can use the power of imagination and the law of attraction to manifest our desires, no matter how impossible they may seem. He believed that by constructing a scene in our minds that implies the fulfillment of our desire and entering it, we could make it a reality. He also believed that every being in the world will serve our purpose, and that the universe will conspire to make our desires come true. So, how can you put these concepts into practice in your own life? The first step is to identify what you truly desire in your love life. Get clear on the specific details and emotions you want to experience. Then, use your imagination to create a scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. Imagine yourself in that scene, feeling the emotions and experiencing the actions that come with it. Enter that scene in your mind and remain there as often as possible. Trust in the power of your imagination and the law of attraction. Believe that your desire is already manifesting and that the universe is working with you to bring it to fruition. Remember, the key to manifesting your desires is to believe in them and take action towards them. Be open to receiving the manifestation in unexpected ways. Sometimes, the universe has a way of bringing our desires to us in unexpected ways. As you can see, Neville Goddard's concept of love is the perfect example of how we can use the power of imagination and the law of attraction to manifest our deepest desires. He believed that we are the creators of our reality and that we can manifest our desires through imagination. Will you be using any of Neville Goddard's techniques to manifest love into your life? Let us know in the comments what you thought about Neville Goddard's take on manifesting love. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.